Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be installing Git on the computer. So first thing we want to do is go to the Git website and download it. We want to download the current version for your computer needs. So let's go ahead and start downloading. And once we download it, we're just going to basically double click on a file, read through the agreement, and select the actual things that we need to do. Mostly we're basically gonna leave everything as default. So let's get started. If you like the video, just subscribe and leave a like on it.